Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got power and proximity. Now act. Plug in the Google speaker and make sure its LED shows ready. Open the Google Home app and sign in with the account you'll use for casting. This is important for device discovery and voice personalization. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone so the app can detect nearby speaker models. Tap the plus icon, choose Set up Device, and follow the on-screen prompts. This starts the pairing handshake between phone, app, and speaker. Once the app finds the speaker, tap its name to continue. You'll hear a confirmation chime. Listen for it to verify physical pairing. After that, assign the speaker to a room. This organizes devices and enables group playback. Then, choose the correct Wi-Fi network and enter its password so the speaker streams audio independently of Bluetooth. Make sure to grant microphone and location permissions when prompted. These let voice assistant features and device setup complete smooth. Finalize by linking your preferred music service and setting it as default. This makes playback seamless from apps. Test casting. Open a music app, choose cast or Bluetooth output, and select the speaker. Adjust volume and group speakers if you have multiples. If something goes wrong, first reboot both the speaker and your phone. This clears transient Bluetooth and network states. If pairing still fails, forget the device in Bluetooth settings and repeat the setup from the Google Home app to ensure a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.